Our top story today, though, is the severe weather across the country, and we're going to break it into, we begin in Florida. A surge of tropical moisture caused waterspouts and reports of overnight tornadoes along the Gulf Coast of Florida.
Footage from Clearwater, you can see on your screens here, shows the funnel cloud scattered debris across roads, and you can see even yards as well went through a windshield of a car.
There's the picture of what happened in Clearwater last night. What we can do is, that's the ground truth. Let's show a little bit of radar here. And what's really amazing on this radar, there are 4 tornadic thunderstorms